Hey guys, I'm Trippy, and this week's dare is cat food, dog food, a pickle, milk, and ketchup. And that was submitted by Like My Smurf. I hope my cat isn't in here or he's gonna be like, oh my god, fancy first. Anyway, let's get started mixing. Alright, so here's the dare. It doesn't just look bad, it smells sort of bad. But I'm gonna drink this and I'm gonna get it done. So, ready, set, go. Oh. Ugh. Okay. Let's try another sip. Ugh. Holy crap. Oh! Ugh. I'm gonna try a few more sips. I don't know how much more I can take, but let's try more. Jeez. Alright, so before I get sick, I'm gonna say I'm done. Do I have any cat food in my teeth? I don't know. Okay, so now it's time to review the dare. The dare wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Obviously, mixing cat food and dog food, in my mind, I thought it was gonna be nasty, and it turned out to be okay. And I hopefully won't get sick. Alright, one last thing before I wrap this video up. Last week I uploaded an update video on this series in order to get feedback and suggestions from you guys. And if you haven't checked it out yet, I'll put an annotation here if you want to still see that. Based on the feedback that I got, I'm going to be doing prank calls, originally suggested by A. McAchee, in the near future. Obviously, I still have to come up with some ideas, figure out when I'm going to actually start it, and come up with a way that I can incorporate it into this series. So until then, I'm going to keep updating you guys on these episodes when I have more information. So, if you enjoyed this video, please click that like button down below, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel using the button above. Click it now, then select email me for every upload, and YouTube will let you know every time I upload a new video. I upload videos every Tuesday and Saturday, so subscribe now to avoid missing out. And lastly, make sure to connect with me on Facebook and Twitter. It's gonna be right here. Woo! Bye. I'm just gonna go this way, you know. And I'm coming back now. Alright, you guys, I'm Trippy. Thanks to Like My Smurf for the dare. I love you guys, and as always, thanks for watching. That was hot. and that was submitted by Like My Serve. Wait, what?